Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to draw a circle of 80 mm diameter. Then we will draw a pitch circle of 94 mm diameter. Then we will draw a 6 circle of 30 mm diameter. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. Just select create a sketch. From here select this bottom plane. After selecting this bottom plate, select this circle command and create a circle of 94 mm, that is of pitch circle, and select here line type this one. Okay. After this, create one more circle of 80 mm diameter. So just select this circle command, select this line type and create 80 mm. Now the next what we have to do, we have to create 6 circle of 30 mm. So first we draw a line at an angle of 60 degree. So just press 60 and is this side 47 is correct, yes, and press enter. Now the next, draw a circle of 30 mm in this way, press enter. Now the next, select this trim command, trim this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Now press escape to exit out this trim command. Now select this one, this circular pattern. Now select this one, select the center point, this one, provide the quantity is 6 and press OK. So now you can see we have created such kind of profile. After that, again select the trim command, trim this edge, this one. So as you can see, we have created such kind of profile. Now the next is finish the sketch. Now the turn to provide the thickness to this particular profile. For that, as per the drawing, the thickness is 30 mm. So just select this one and provide it 30 mm. Press enter. Now the next, we will provide these as a fillet of 5 mm. For that, here I am selecting this fillet command, selecting these edges. And provide a fillet of 5. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have created the bottom of this object. Now the next, we have to create a circle of 40 mm diameter. So just select this plane, go to create a sketch, select this circle command, create this is 40 mm, press enter. Now the next, from here we will extrude it up to 30 mm. So just finish the sketch, select this extrude command, select this one and provide 30 mm. Now we have to provide the hole at this surface. For that, select this hole command and provide it here and select the reference as this one, so it will come into the center. Now the next, from here we can see we have to provide this length, and that is, from here we can see it is 20 mm and the diameter is, we have already provided there that diameter is 10 mm. So just close this window and go to Fusion 360 interface and simply edit this feature and provide here, this is of 20 mm and this is 10 mm and press OK. Now the next, select again this hole command, select the surface, select this reference as this one, and from the drawing we can see it is at 15 and this is of 15 and this is 8 mm and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen here with the help of various commands available in Fusion. Okay, this is 11 and this is 11 and 415. Yes, correct. We have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.